DCA 3 Mixed Review number 6. An expression is shown. Which expressions are equivalent to the given expression? Select 2 correct answers. So this sounds like you have to solve each one of the answer choices to see what's equal to the original expression. But when you do the PEMDAS, when you do order of operations, you find that the answer choices actually match these steps. So if you do this like we've learned to do in class, you should be good. It'll be a much easier question. So I'm starting with the original expression, 22 plus 36 divided by 9 minus 8. And I need to do this in PEMDAS order. And so P stands for parentheses, and I do have some parentheses. And so I'm going to do what's in those first. There's only one thing. So 22, copying what's outside my circle. I can get rid of those parentheses because I am doing everything that's given in them. So 36 minus 9 is, or divided by 9 is 4. And then subtract 8 is behind it. Okay, parentheses are done. Exponents, we don't have those in 5th grade. Multiply, divide, I don't have multiply or divide, and so that's done. AS is add, subtract, and I do have add and subtract. Remember, we go from left to right when we're doing add, subtract. It's not that add goes first. Always, whatever is first when we look at the equation or the expression from left to right. So in this one, we've got 22 plus 4. So 22 plus 4 is 26 minus 8. And now we've only got one thing left to do. 26 minus 8. Go over to the side if you need to. 6 minus 8 I can't do, so I regroup. 16 minus 8 is 8. 1 minus nothing is 1. And so I get an answer of 18. Now, I look at those answer choices, and several of them, or a couple of them, are going to match our steps exactly. So if you look at that first answer choice, 22 plus 4 minus 8, that is the same as what we had right here in our work. And so that one must be equivalent because all of these things in our PEMDAS is equal to each other. They all wind up equaling 18. So looks like that first one's good. Next, we have 58 divided by 9 minus 8. I don't have anything that looks like that. Next, third answer choice is 58 divided by 1. Don't have that. 26 minus 8. That is right here in my work. And so that one looks good. And last one, 22 plus 36 divided by 1. I don't have any of that. And so looks like the 2 equal answers are the first one and the fourth one. And we can double check our work by making sure that those really do equal the 18 that the original expression equaled. So if I look at the first answer choice, doing in PEMDAS order, always 22 plus 4 is 26 minus 8, and 26 minus 8 equals 18. Looks good. And next one, 26 minus 8 is 18. And that is the other way to do this one. If you solve all the rest of these, they are not going to equal 18. So if I look at the second answer choice, 58 divided by 9 minus 8. Well, I would do 58 divided by 9 first, which isn't going to work out real nice. 58 divided by 9 won't even equal anything, any pretty whole number. And so that one is definitely not going to equal 18. Third one, 58 divided by 1 does not equal 18. And the last one, 22 plus 36 divided by 9, we would do the division first. And so we'd have 22 plus 36. And I don't think 22 plus 36 is going to equal 18. It actually equals 58. And so definitely those two are equal to my original expression.